Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a broken calculator lead code medium level problem. So in this problem we are given with a start value, it is an integer which is a display on an calculator, and we can do two operation on that calculator. First is we can multiply the number by 2 or we can subtract the number by 1, and we have given two integers start value and the target. Our goal is to reach from start value to target in minimum number of steps. Okay, for an example, if we have a 5 and we have 8, so we have to reach 5 to 8 in minimum number of steps. So how we are going to solve it? Mm, let's think of a greedy method, and what we are going to think is like multiply with 2 until and unless is uh, this number is less than this. So right now 5 is less than 8, so we are going to multiply, we will have a 10. Okay, and as soon as this number is greater than this, we are going to minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 minus 1, so this will be in 3 steps: 1 multiply and 2 this. So but for this solution I have one more solution, that is minus 1 and it will give 4, and then into 2 it will give 8. So this will take 2. So our greedy approach from here will not work. We are not able to recognize when to do multiplication or when to do minus. Okay, so let's think in a backward let's think to convert target to start value. Okay, and see can we drive any conclusion from there or not. So let's say I have 8, so I will divide by 2 and it will get 4, and as soon as it's less than our start value, I will increment until it's equal. So 5 I can reach in 2 steps. Yeah. So I can conclude that if the number is even, so we have to divide it, or if it's an odd, then we have to add plus 1. Okay, and if the number is smaller than, if target is smaller than start value, then what we have to do, we have to add the difference of the target minus start value. I hope you understand. Just to understand it more clearly, I let's understand with another example. Let's say we have a 5 at start value. Okay, and target is 13. Okay, so what we are going to do, 13 is odd number, so we are adding in the first step 14. Second step, it is odd, then we are going to divide. Why we are going to divide in second step? Because we have to understand this. If we are going to add, then it will take 7 steps. But if we are going to divide, it is only take 1 step. Okay, and we have to do it minimum step. So whenever it is even, we are going to divide it. Okay, then 7 we are going to add plus 1. It will be 8, and then that is the third step. And 8 divided by 2 will be 4. 4 will be fourth step. So at this step, our 4 is smaller than 5. As 4 is smaller than 5, we are going to do answer plus our starting value, that is 5, minus our target, that is 5 minus 4 is 1. So we are going to answer plus 1. We have our answer, that is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5 would be our answer. I hope you understand this problem. So let's see the code to understand it more. So this is the code of this problem. We are going to initialize our answer with 0, and until our target is greater than a start value. So we are going to do some operation. If our target is odd, then we are going to increment our target. If our target is even, then we are going to divide it by 2. Okay, and whenever we do any operation, we are going to increment our answer. Once our target is less than start value, then there is no any other operation. We just have to add plus 1 as many times the start value is greater than target. So we are going to do answer plus start value minus target. So this is the answer of this solution question. And what is the time complexity of this? So basically we are dividing by 2 until and unless target is greater than start value. So our time complexity will be logarithmic of target, and our space complexity, as we are not using any extra space, it will be of 1. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment section.